Boosie be doing Vlad.
I think you said that nigga so lame, bro. I didn't want to say shit, but that nigga so lame.
Boosie?
Bro, he be lame as hell sometimes, bro. I be pissed off.
Bro, he be overdoing it.
I wonder how much Vlad be paying his ass.
Yeah.
Oh, he paying him
A rack of interview. He got her every 2
he getting
weeks.
more than that, bro.
Bro, he probably his ass. He getting at least a 10.
Yeah,
I think Vlad be
I think he do too many interviews to get a 10.
For sure.
Shit.
You know that
nigga bringing in.
You gotta think Boosie a street nigga though. What if Vlad in Atlanta and he telling him to come for $2,500? That's damn near Boosie platform. I'm gonna go to that bitch too. Shit, this is my platform. Man,
I think they said Vlad biggest video is Boosie is fucking him. He went out there and shit. That shit did a couple
million
in a day.
in, so he damn near gonna be like, huh? You take a look.
So for the kids that might be watching this, let's say it's 10 kids watching that's thinking about getting in the streets, what advice can y'all give them to not go down that road? But if they do choose to go down that road, what advice can y'all give them for that too?
Just tell them what's gonna happen.
I feel like you just have your own reason.
Tell them what's gonna happen.
Just have your own reason. Like don't be killing for another dead nigga that you ain't know. But if a nigga took your gun, go kill him.
It start with showing him how to be a leader first. You can't be no father.
Like, I ain't gonna lie, like that's everybody probably want to kill for somebody else. Like kill for yourself.
Somebody else.
For real. Yeah, they want to be somebody else. They want to be like somebody else. Going to do this. I don't know what the fuck. This new generation fucked up though. I feel bad. Cause I'm leaving this bitch. I ain't, bro. These new little kids something else, bro. They bad as shit. Yeah. And they all got guns and shit. Like, what the fuck? How y'all all get guns after Christmas? Y'all mama got y'all guns and shit? What the fuck?
Yeah, niggas
all these
14
got
with
guns.
Dang,
after Christmas, I swear to God, I commercial. All the little niggas got guns. They all their music videos, guns. Like, bro, what the fuck? I was not trying to buy no guns when I was little.
But like, I feel like they be thinking shit can't happen to them. Like niggas feel untouchable.
It really be, bro. Yeah. It really be, bro. I know, cause I didn't had conversations like with niggas who keep going to get out. GVRC, bro. It's cause GVRC will let you back out, and when a nigga know that they could go do 2-3 months for a gun, bro, or like 2-3 months for an assault, and then get back out and it's not on your record. What you think that little nigga gonna keep doing, like, bro? And it go away after a certain amount of time.
So the problems that y'all face on a day-to-day basis, how do y'all cope with them? For people that, like, they lost a lot of dead niggas and niggas to the prison system, how can y'all give them advice to cope with that?
You ready to get high and get some money and find something you like to do?
Yeah, get some money.
It ain't hard though. You ain't even gotta have no money to find something you like to do. If you like to draw, you can draw.
Cause niggas go through shit, they be ready to crash out. Like, I'm just about to crash
sometimes
out.
You just gotta crash out, bro. God won't fuck you up if you crash out sometimes. God will bless you if you crash out. Sometimes you gotta crash out, bro. And he gonna protect you. He not gonna kill you. But you crash out too much, that's when you fucking up your bag. But sometimes it's good to crash, bro. Maybe you having to crash.
So on the rap tip, is there any niggas that y'all wanna collab with that y'all haven't worked with yet? It could be in the city or in the D, shit, industry, whatever. Like, who y'all feel like y'all would make hits with? I'm gonna start with you, Huncho. Who you feel like you want to work with, make a hit?
For sure, Rio, though.
Free Rio, for sure.
I might fuck with Babyface Ray or something. If I can get it.
Okay. Babyface Ray, tap in.
I don't really like industry people for real.
You feel like the industry fake?
No, like you see how they be putting all they people on. So I'd rather do songs with people from Flint. And we just, you feel me, blow up together.
I don't remember Playboy Cardi.
Playboy Cardi, yeah, you just came different.
And Young Boy.
I wasn't expecting.
Cause bro, that's automatic. You automatically gonna get rich. And Drake. I don't want to rap with nobody who's not gonna get me rich. Oh God, cause I could just rap with regular people and sound good. But you gotta think about it. A nigga like, who the fuck did I say? Who was the first person I said?
Playboy Cardi.
Yeah, like all his fans gonna be on my dick for life. Mm-hmm. You gotta think about it. I'm gonna be damn near local as hell just off him, just cause his fan base.
You might do something with Lil Nas X.
Hell no. And he gay, that's different. Playboy Cardi really a street nigga. Go search
You
that
said
Playboy
Old
Cardi.
Town Road remix.
Hell no, I'm not doing that song. Playboy Cardi really ain't got the raps
You
too.
gonna trip on that bitch.
No, I'm not. I'm not rapping like that. You tripping, bro. I don't know rap that.
So, what y'all working on next as far as projects for 2024?
Yeah, I got my tape finna drop February 2nd. Welcome to the 6th.
Welcome to the 6th.
Mine's
So,
too.
tap in.
Mine's dropping February 2nd too. Yeah, we in the world too. I got my shit in for a month. I don't know what this nigga on, bro. This nigga weird, bro.
So what's y'all goals? What's y'all goals for 2024? Like give me 3 goals. It could be rap or just life in general. Like 3 things y'all trying to
Get
do.
rich off rap this year.
I feel that.
Something shake. I ain't trying to fuck with this city this year, bro. I ain't feeling it, bro. That's why I just disarmed myself from it real quick for a couple months until they shake back. I ain't fucking with the shit right now, bro. You feeling it?
Not for real.
No, for real.
I'm trying to same shit, get rich this year. I gotta
It's coming.
stop.
Shit on the floor.
Shit on the flow.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas. But no, I appreciate y'all coming on Reed Street TV, tapping in with me. You feel me? Is there anybody y'all want to shout out as far as upcoming rappers that people should tap into?
My nigga Vaughn.
What's up, nigga?
Vaughn,
My
who's-
nigga,
I'll see you for behind.
6 when Rogers dropped that underdog too.
Facts.
Dooney just dropped Flamed Up Since Birth. Shit. Yep, T-Baby finna drop the tape too. Fuck rap. Shit, we got some shit on there. Barkley, we got some shit on there. Everybody got some shit on there.
Ray Hughes.
Hood.
Niggas like that.
Shout out the hood, bro. Everybody in the hood who got that shit going on. My nigga OT just dropped the tape. OT, I didn't trust the sauce.
My nigga
He
Black.
outside.
My nigga Black and White Mike, they gonna drop some shit, so.
They for sure gotta drop.
Send it to JJ. Send it to me.
Yeah, I appreciate y'all boys for tapping in, man. It's time to get rich. Tap in with y'all. For sure.
I don't even want to play that bitch no more.
Yeah, shout out my nigga AD, man.
Shout out Queen, man.
Got that shit on her, man. Let me see.